By the end of this episode, angikuphi isiqiniseko khona uzolala abaningi. What's your issue? All right, ubundoda. Oh, uzabhosha.
Sambulala baba usiso makade.
Usibusiso. Down.
Welcome to Moja Fridays LTP Buffet 2. Let me just catch you up on exciting Moja Love shows. Are here.
Yeah.
Hey, that day, Ntwana bekabuya eSpanish yabo. Ntwana ezulayo lapha elokhuzeni eGreenville yabo.
Yeah.
Thuthela abantu ngebhayisikili.
Greenville Buhle Park.
Yeah, Greenville Buhle Park.
Yeah.
Ula ngojeje bona makhulu ephansi kwabazali abaphuza isikhaphukaphu nokutshontsha nayo isikhaphukaphu yabo.
Yeah.
Adlule Ntwana athi ngithenga isikhaphukaphu. Ekuthengisa isikhaphukaphu lapha khabo le ntono ndoda leyo.
Yeah. Undoda weCombothi weFlop.
Undoda lo
Combothi. That's right.
Kimbilali
Iza nawe ithunga kahle.
Yazi kwabona amahleli namajita scheme uthemba ukuthi siskimisi one kwabona bayingaba kuwe imali angeke ningiphuze mfethu ushithi ngiyobuye ninginike imali yami yaba yo ayikube iguruguru ayishayile ntwana shithi ntwana yabulawa yilona la ngiharabu yabona iharabu into kushenza ingadini babasho ke ababuya ukuyomgeza emoshara bayasho ukuthi ndoda yo yilo inxeba elibulale la bayi-2 nenye ebuye Eastern Cape so kube
ubani ne-engine number yayo ubani number plate
yayazi number plate yaliyawuthi mara le undoda yayazi number plate yayo
okay
and khona enye indawo lapha labe ihlala kuyo lapha eBuhle Park lapha
yona le balekile
Eastern Cape.
That's right ithunga kahle yeah
yabo mara wele mina into engifisayo nje ukuthi yabona kube nje nejustice mayingatholakala le ntwana yaba.
So from what we hear, the deceased was beaten to death for his own money because apparently he just went there to buy alcohol, and unfortunately they ended up fighting for his money and he lost his life in the process. It's so unfortunate, and it seems that justice was not served because apparently the accused is still outside. He's not even arrested. So let's just hope that Scheme finds the guy and we can also hear his side of our story, and maybe we can see what's the truth between the two sides of story.
Asingamosha isikhathi team. Bengicela i-energy vandag ne. Masingena neyazi indlela esingena ngayo ngithi. So ngicela ukuthi nje sibonise ukuphila masifika kule ndawo. I-suspect I'm sure we are aware. Ndoda ndaba suspect. Unokho accused wakhe ke mara usesembile. So I think asingasamosha isikhathi awuthi yami ngicela ukuthi wenze show mangubamba ke wenze isihlalo sokuthi ubambe ifone quick ne. Yeah. Excellent. Open the door. Don't up. All right, pants down. Hey, chief. Hey, man. Hey, down. Fuck him, man. Down. Fuck him. Mutu man. We clever. Yeah. Open the door. Don't up. Open the door. All right, okay. Open the door. Hey, come on. Don't up.
Actually mundot.
Wonu ban. Sandy le. On the show. Zani ngishaka ndot. Let's confirm Kunundot. What fast is and take my John? What fast is achieve? What's your issue? All right, open daughter. Pula. Open daughter. Sorry, open daughter. Yo. Upume le. Upume good.
You know, watching this, I might be wrong, but I've just made an observation that I feel like private security has got more freedom in terms of exercising their duties as compared to South African police, because I feel like in such circumstances, when it comes to South African police, they would have to be producing things like a warrant of arrest or producing things like a warrant to search the place. However, with private security, in most circumstances, and you can also see with the tracker guys, they would just barging into the place. So, but then I might just be limited in terms of the legalities. I don't know how it goes, but yeah, if ever maybe you've got a different view or you've got a way that you know how it works in terms of the legalities, you may just share on the comment section below.
Out! Vuna baba, vuna baba, vuna. Uyakaka. Oh, zabosha. Alright, usula ngesandla mfana misa kimi. Bani kama yakho nesibongo? Hayibo, ubundoda. Yeah. Oh, danke siyabonga zwakala. Ushitamile. Unuka neshita, ka kwenzani? Ufuna ushitama, decide ufuna kwenzani? Uyakaka uyashitama, uyakhama, ukuye kutethelele. Uvale la. Ma ufuna uzikakela. Zwakala mfana kithi. Ndoda?
Yebo.
Abangani bakho bayafasisa yi. Kunjani? Nasi isitulo sakho. Kama nesibongo? Simpiwe mkwena. Mana uyipha amagama. Ubani undoda ndaba?
Hayi usundoda ndaba nguSimphiwe Mgwena straight.
Mamela mfethu ngithe uthe yimi mangithi ubani undoda ndaba wathi.
Bakubiza ngondaba, ngondoda.
Alright. Oh, okay bakubiza ngondaba. Alright, ucabanga ukuthi ngibekwa yini la? Ukwangibona somewhere before. Khuluma into straight ke manje. Ucabanga ukuthi ngibekwa yini la? 2015 ngoJuly wenzani bafana? 2015 ngoJuly wenzani?
Sashaya umuntu ngapha.
Nashaya umuntu ngapha. Alright, no ngiyayithanda ke indaba yakho. Ngathi uza kahle ke mfana simasaje kana khuluma ke manje. Utwenzakaleni ngo2015?
Baba ngo2015 besiphuza sihlelelana kunomkhukhu la.
Yeah, khona la.
Khona la bekunomkhukhu.
That's right, yeah.
Besihlele siphuza kwala kwase ukuthi kulahleka imali kaSester.
Yeah.
Makulahleka imali kaSester, la mfana uthiwa kwethuko uyithathile.
Yeah.
Sashaya lo mfana.
Okay, imakala ke njami, imakala ungayijahi njami. Ilungisa masishana wena uyajaha umthetho wakho awushita manga ngokuhlala ujahile wena. Asilungise ke indaba yomfana. Ubani unegama unesibongo, awunga-identify lo mfana so that ngeke bane sure ukuthi sikhuluma ngento efanayo so mina nawe.
Mfana usibusiswa kaGadebe.
Yo, okay.
Uhlala ngapha enzansi.
Right.
Sishana inyanga.
Umazelapho usibusiswa kaGadebe?
Cha, sibusiswa kaGadebe kumngani wami.
Yeah. Oh, umuntu omjwayele lo niphile nonke.
Siphila sonke.
Right, bekangakanani usibusisi ngeminyaka yokuzalwa?
Cha, bekaseyamdala ke.
Yeah, ni intanganyana mhlawumbe umntana nakubo.
Ushiya mhlawumbe nga3 years.
Okay, bombona oftenly kayingakhi mhlawumbe ngeviki emalangeni bombona kayingakhi?
Hayi ngisho ngithi every day.
Yeah, alright. Before siyofika la siya khona ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi lento yenzakale ku stranger kumuntu omjwayele kwangempela. Right, qhubeka mfana kithi.
Yenzakile kumuntu engimjwayele.
Yeah. Alright, mhlawumbe sofuna ukuyijumpa ngiyabona mawuthi yenzakele. Ngifuna uze nayo ithu ungayijahi bafana siyezwana. Right. Qhubeka ke la ugcine khona.
Yeah baba njengoba siphuza watholakala ukuthi imali
Yeah.
uphuma kuye lo mjida lona. Ngalesikhathi besi3 yimi uye uvuyo.
Yeah.
Noma sister wangena endlini.
Yeah.
Walahlekelwa imali wangena endlini.
Yeah.
Sahlala sabuzana ngemali ngoba yena uthe imali uyayifuna.
Yeah.
Makathi ayifuna kanjalo sathi okay mfethu asiseshanini ngoba sesi3 besifoma sisiphumile.
Yeah.
Saseshani imali yaphuma kuye. Kulana sekalwa khona ke. Kulana silwa sonke ke si3 la nomunye umfana bathu.
Why kune story sokuthi indoda wanyamalala? Ifamily yakhe imfunile for the past 3 days. Isister yakhe kuthiwa akatholakali la beke khona. But the last scene abantu bokugcina abagcina naye kwakuwe uhleli nomngani wakho.
Satholakala bangithola la jati.
Uthola ubani?
Uthola bezasebenza namaphoyisa.
Yeah. Okay. Awunginikeze ke mhlawumbe ubungozi balala ngalani. Lo ndoda kahle kahle nimkapa ngani nini? Lo ndoda ulimele. Umuntu ohambile wayemgeze moshari. Uvulekile la inqondo, ikathiwa kwamampela. So ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi kahle kahle nimenzeni lo yamuntu lana. Mhlawumbe uzikhulumele nje wena freely.
Cha baba, lenhloko bekangalimelanga lo. La bekalimele khona kulazwela khona phezulu kwebhodlela la. Bekalimele la emqolo. Ngiyakhumbula.
So nimkwazile.
Cha, zangakwazi wawela phezulu kwebhodlela baba. Zangakwazi uye bobeka.
Yazi inkinga yami yini? Uyabona manga nevar, lezi zinto azihambi kanje. Le sentence ine 1. No. You can't mention amanga bese wafanga lo wahlanganisa neqiniso. Sizoba ne problem because lento ongenzisa yona manje ungenzisa amaphutha. Izofuna siqalele phansi ke manje. Into ofuna ukuzwa ngomzimba or ufuna ukuzwa ngamadlebe. Ngicela senze speak and for stand unganginyanyisa uthami. Ungangikwatisi. Ngicela uqalele phansi nimenzeni ndoda.
Ndoda baba samshaya.
Yeah. No, kanti why wena ungayikhulumela straight ukuthi indoda sambulala? Angibofuna ukuthi ngijambise iziyofika la. Okay, manguvala mina why ungathi no. Mangithi 2015 ngoJuly vele utayi ngamakhaza kaJuly mina kunowana ngamfaka emakhazeni ngambulala undoda. Why ungayibeki straight ukuthi nawusibusiso Gadebe wabulala wayimi nomngani wami. Umkwena uLuvuyo. Khuluma nami ke ukuthi uLuvuyo kahle namenzani?
Sambulala baba ubusiso Gadebe.
Usibusiso. ULuvuyo udlala ephi part manje imbulala?
Besimshaya nje lana nangamabhodlela.
So manisha umuntu benithi kufinja kahle benithi nishaya inja. Khulume ngemali, imali le ayifelayo uGadebe.
Ngathi beku 450 60.
Yeah. So ubulela umuntu wena unegazi ezandleni for i450. Lezandla zibulala umuntu for i450 leso. Lezo shita mangazo leso. Kuthini kuwe mfana kithi namhlanje? Igazi lomuntu lisezandleni, ifamily yakhala, abomama kwazilwa. I450 ayimncwaba umuntu, nibulala umuntu for 450 rand. Uphume kanjani mfana kithi?
Abo zathi sifike court bathi step down.
Yeah, that's right.
Step down sabuyela emaseli.
Yeah.
Sabuyela emaseli zathi masibuyela. Bathi hayi still investigation ngahamba ngemakhaya. Sothi mase sinifuna sinila.
No bail, no nothing. 1000 rand ingena kuphi na?
1000 azange besike phi.
Right, yible court ni attended.
Bisathenda le eJimston phansi kwebridge.
So if you are identified positively ku scene of crime and wena mabakuthatha amaphoyisa bayasho ukuthi nali igazi ligcwele umuntu kuyabonakala umbulele, uvuma on camera ukuthi umuntu ngimbulele. Mabaqeda bathi uyayehla, umthetho wase South Africa ufe ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi bakunikeze scot free bail ubulala umuntu. Murder schedule 6.
You know, someone once said that we always blaming the police. However, South African police are working. They're doing the job. They're always arresting these criminals. However, courts always find a way to actually get these criminals back into society. Unfortunately, I don't know if ever it's just the law or the criminality that's happening in court. It's just unfortunate the South Africa that you live in.
Kulo muntu ulele. Lo muntu akakethi nomhlabathi awukehle ethuneni. Lo uyabuya makaqeda ungena eboxini bathi step down hamba ekhaya.
Nami ngayibuza.
No, asiyiguguleni lento le. Kunento engangenzeli sense la.
Ngayibuza.
Wathola yiphi impendulo mama? Bathi incazelo ithini?
Angizange ngithole impendulo. Ngayithola nje ukuthi bathi baphumile free.
So ever since kubule umuntu 16, u17, u18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 20. Suthi kuna 10 years yonke kuthulile kufile nyaka kwenzakala nix. Wena 10 years uyazivayela mahala free.
Abo nabakambizi baba basho kanjalo bathi bazo.
So 10 years later. So are you saying justice yethu iyabhimba, iyabheda straight?